What's up, dudes and dudettes of YouTube? I am the Dillmeister, and I'm back for another reaction video. And this is an unhinged version of Thomas the Tank Engine. I have no idea how I missed this when I first started watching the unhinged versions of, like, the Polar Express, Back to the Future, things of this nature. But irregardless, we're gonna watch the Thomas and Tank version of it. I've already watched, like, the Diesel 10 version, so I don't know how I missed that. But we're going to watch this first and foremost. I think there's like several other parts. I'm not 100% too sure. So I'll look into that after I'm done watching this. Regardless, we're going to get right to it. This intro's taking too long. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications about more of these videos coming soon. So without further ado, yep, this thing's screen recording. I'm clicking play now. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, what? Oh, clear them out. They look like milk cartons to me. Oh, sorry, Gordon. Oh, now what? That was the windmill. Oh, no, not through the town. What now? Oh, is that Henry? It is! From when he was like stuck and refused to get out of the tunnel. Who's that? Hey, it's Toby! Ooh! Wait, what? He left the set! Uh-oh. Look at his face! Now where is he?
Oi! There he is! Stop!
Oh, they're giving him chase. How he's still... What? Well, that's one way of getting him going. Oh no, they're giving him chase. Oh, he's got him. Uh-oh. Down there the rabbit hill you go. Hey, Bean!
Out at the same.
Uh-oh. Whoo! I thought the cat would go out of the way at first. That scream! What? Thomas? There's no way. There's no way he's just gonna like sit there and hold on. There's no way. Oh, I guess he is.
He's right here on the skid. Take us down now. Sorry, mate. We can't land here. Fine, then I will.
Oh, bad idea. Of course. Uh-oh.
Thomas.
He fell right back on set.
Let me remind you, we are on a very tight schedule.
Thomas!
Wow, that was something. Wow. Man, I wonder what else there is out there. Maybe I'm gonna look to see if I can find like a part 2 or something. But that was like incredibly awesome. Hang on, maybe if I click on his profile. Oh, there is a couple of versions. Wait, Thomas in the real world? Okay, I'm gonna go through like this guy's entire channel, see what's out there, and react to as much as I can. But if you guys have a suggestion for a video, do not hesitate to ask me. So, yeah, I got no choice. I'm gonna call it quits here, you guys. This was a great video to watch, and I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. I'm the Dillmeister signing out. Thank you and good night. It's been a pleasure. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications about more videos coming soon so we can get this channel to grow together. So, take care. I'm out.